Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Weirdo. Get the book, put it up.
What is up, party people? It's noise, y'all. What the fuck? What's up, y'all? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. This video is gonna be a little bit late because I was kind of late posting Day 4. I low-key feel like I'm getting sick. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I'm getting sick. I really don't know what we're doing today, but I do know. Y'all remember how yesterday I was like, they said my package was undeliverable. They said it was da-da-da-da. I got a refund, but why this morning I wake up and my package was outside my door? Hey, that's y'all fault. That's not mine. Y'all said it was undeliverable. Been up for a little while, and I've just been up. I was watching Family Guy, but actually, let me turn it off. As you can see, it said it was undeliverable, but it most definitely got here today. Yesterday, I never finished hanging up the paintings. Oh, snap. Okay, so I got like this thingy right here, and it's supposed to be like floating shells. Oh yeah, it does come with like the little fake, oh snap. Okay, it does come with like the little fake leaves and stuff. See, this is why I feel like I should put the green one up, because you know it got the leaves in there. It got these. I'm gonna have to ask my sister to help me put these up. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go get my sister because I don't want to mess this up, and I just have a feeling I'm gonna mess this up. So I almost forgot. I literally told y'all the package got here, so let me bring it in.
For my seeds, no care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout, anything, do anything for clout, do anything for clout, anything, do anything for clout.
So I bought a new coffee table. So it's a new coffee table, and I bought this like November. I bought this in November, like November 23rd. It's just not getting here. They said it wasn't gonna be delivered, so I got a refund for this, but it still got delivered. Like, it said undeliverable, so that I'm not finna complain, but y'all, this shit is heavy. Thing that I'm finna go get my sister, well, at least call her and see if she wanna help me. I'm gonna see if she'll also help me put that up because it's heavy. In all seriousness, I genuinely do not feel well. I genuinely think I'm getting sick.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man.
Okay, so my phone had died while I was in the middle of getting ready. So I just finished getting ready. I just did my edges, and then I put a scarf on my head and called it a day because, baby, it's going to be a hairstyle today or a look today. I'm going to put earrings on just because I have a very wide face, and I just feel like when I have hoops on, it just makes everything look good. But yeah, I'm going to let my phone charge up a little bit, and then, well, let me FaceTime my sister and see if she wants to help me first. It's currently 2 o'clock. I told my sister she got back like an hour and 25 minutes to get ready because last time she was not ready. So we're going to see if she's ready in enough time. Y'all, I'm not going to lie. I feel like I'm getting sick. Like, my nose is stuffy, everything. Okay, so it's currently 3:17 p.m. I told my sister that I give her like an hour, 25 minutes. Knowing my sister, she's not going to be ready by the time I get there. So I'm just going to sweep my floor, then vacuum it, and then I'm going to move that coffee table out the way so when she comes, like, we don't have to do all that when she gets here. Yeah, pretty much. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame, they'd rather be wild. This is brandy, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Only reason I'm sweeping first is that way if I have any hair or stuff on my floor, it won't get caught up in my vacuum. Bring my products, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt, ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch, back.
Do anything for clout, anything, do anything for clout, do anything for clout, anything, do anything for clout, do anything for clout. They do anything for
also have not washed those clothes, so I'm gonna try to do that. I'm finna go get my sister. She should be ready. It's been over an hour and 25 minutes. If she's not ready, y'all, it's gonna be a problem. Alrighty, gang, so I'm in the car. We're finna go get my sister, and she better be ready. Traffic is absolutely terrible, y'all. Like,
I'm around my way. Never try to hold back your feel.
I just made it here. Let's see if she's actually ready, and I really hope she is, because she's had more than enough time. Mia, what's the running back there? Because she's not ready, bro. I was just recording in the car. Saying that she wasn't going to be ready. I knew she wasn't going to be ready, y'all. Look. Two hours. You had 2 hours. It's 4:19, y'all.
I was ready, y'all. Don't believe nothing she said. I was definitely
I have video proof that she was not ready.
Yes, sir. That's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. It was the lavish life from all the ghost money. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up. But this I remember once
On the end, this is another 8.
Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funkin', I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more.
I don't know. That was the whole point of me asking you for your help.
Can we get it together? Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
I'm helping with my vibrations.
Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy.
What she wanted, specifically dealing with food.
a hot fudge brownie.
That's not real food, that's
With
dessert.
ice cream.
Fastest DoorDasher I know. I get down. I do not play.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I.
Present was supposed to be here. Well, the gift was supposed to be here between 2:15 and 6. It's a gift for Yasmin.
You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know you ain't gonna talk alright. I know you ain't gonna talk alright, baby.
Mia. Real Secures Queen, realist on this team. Bye. Guys, I just put that one together and this one together, and you know, it's a lot of hard work, breaking a sweat, had to turn the AC down, you know. That's what it looks like so far, y'all.
Can we get it together?
I'm holding it. Yeah, but you gotta be straight. I'm trying to. Told you I'm helping. See all this hard work.
the cap.
As if I'm not just hammering right now. Proof is in the video.
Okay.
And you know the word? You know the word?
What word?
The bird is the word. I said a bird. Bird is the word. I said. What sound does the walrus make?
I don't know about that.
That's a good ass question, ain't it?
Yeah, Google it.
What does the fox say? What does the fox say, Ian?
I don't remember.
You don't know what a fox says?
Hell no.
They scream. I love watching people because if they follow the directions that I said to do, I give them an extra tip.
For real?
Yeah. Like I tip regardless, but if they actually follow the directions, I give them an extra tip. And Shorty do not follow the directions. Shorty not giving an extra tip.
She did.
My bad! It's okay. I'm gonna give her an extra tip because I was just talking shit and she was trying to take a picture. So while she puts those last pieces on, I'll at least show y'all what we got to eat. Y'all. Bye. Bro, look at how I'm staring at the food, bro. Like. Y'all see all that hard work I put together? I just needed her help flipping it over because, you know.
My baby, she glad it's
Fucking lie.
got my vlog and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
That's what I got. That's what she got. Ooh, purr. Get it to it. Tell the camera what you've done so far.
Everything.
Hey. I hammered and I helped put a pin up. Yeah, y'all see that? She been in this direction. She's the fastest builder I know, y'all. Christmas good. Okay, show us how it works. What? You ain't fucking with her. It ain't. Period. Yeah. Have so much stuff. Period. Period. We try to pull it down. So simple and easy. What? Just need a few more gifts to arrive. Then we're gonna do like the gift wrapping videos. Building something else?
Building something else like what?
Floating bookshelves. And we can save for tomorrow.
We can do that tomorrow.
What it turned out, like y'all. Sister did her big one. Yes, sir. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We built a coffee table, you know. Teamwork make the dream work. Yeah, it was a joint effort. We did this together, you know, sisterly bonding time. Thank you for joining in for day 5. You got anything you would like to say?
Y'all hit that follow and subscribe. Oh, and share. Quit playing.
No comments.
Oh yeah, go ahead and comment too. What y'all want to see? How y'all feel? You know, we love constructive criticism. Don't get cussed out, but you know, we still love it. Hit that subscribe button. Make it pee. You know what I'm talking about? Pee. What else you want me to say?
I don't know. Do a dance or something.
I just
Hey,
What happened?
what do you call a very well balanced horse?
A whorehouse.
What did he say?
Hold on.
What do you call a well balanced horse?
the well-balanced horse, a stallion.
Stable.
On me, fly you out the peak. Full speed, so for les Paris,